All right, folks, here we are. This is the start of our journey. This is the interpretive center here at the Tallulah Gorge. So we've got to go in and get our permit. That way we can get down on the floor of the gorge. But this is where it all starts. You can see the parking lot. You've got to pay. It's a $5 park fee, and it's an all day. So we'll go in here. I think we've got to take like a 10-minute class on what not to do and what to do in the gorge, but we'll go find out. And let's go chase some waterfalls. All right, here they come. Oh, much better. As you can see, hang on, let me get right down here. This is the really good lookout. I think this is, I'll give you a peek right here. There it is, number one. I'll definitely get a better view. Ooh, it's straight down. I'll get a better view right here on this other camera. All right. All right, so this is it. This is the infamous stairs. I don't know how many. Let's see, does it say how many? A walk to suspension bridge is 620 steps. To the base of Hurricane Falls, 1,062 steps. So we're about to do our 1,062 steps. And the going down, that's the easy part. But I have every intention of not coming back up these stairs. We're gonna go up the south face. So here it is. This is the famous suspension bridge. And yes, the whole thing is moving back and forth. Ooh. Oh, that freaks a lot of people out when you're walking across this and it starts moving back and forth and up and down on you. Definitely will tighten you up a little bit. Yeah. Woo. Right. So I'm going to go ahead and head down the rest of the way. We're getting down towards Hurricane Falls now. It's a nice rock face. All right. All right, so right here, let me pan up. Here is, you can go to the left and you can go down the steps to the platform. You go to the right and that leads up to the South Rim Trail. Of course we're going down this way because this is where the waterfalls are. All right, here we go. Stop one. This is Hurricane Falls. So that is a little bit better view of Hurricane Falls. God, I wish I could get close enough to do a slow motion of that, but I can't. Not allowed to get in the water right here below Hurricane. From the other side of the river, you can see we came across these rocks. We came to right there. Then we got in because those rocks are ice slick. So that's Bridal, no, I'm so sorry. This is Hurricane, not Bridal Veil. I think I'm delirious already. Anyway, so that's a big one. Beautiful falls. We're gonna keep going downstream and see what else we can find. More to come, guys. All right, one last peek at Hurricane Falls through the tree, and we're headed out. Looks like we've got somebody joining us over there. Well, she's a little bit behind, but she might catch up. I'm not used to hiking with people, so. Well, flare off the water, but look at that. Another wonderful little pool. That little waterfall's over there behind that rock. And I know we're coming up, I believe that Oceana Falls right on the other side there. And trying to remember what this on our left is called. Cala something. Caledonia Cascade, I think. So I'll go over here, take a peek, keep going down. Ugh. I can hear it. Okay. Yeah, this is it. Oh, so up there, let me lean back. That up there is the cascade. What do I call it? Caledonia Cascade. You can see it runs down. Hang on, let me get my grip. Over here. So that's the start. You can see it way up there at the top. Cascades down. Also to note, this is the first time we get some really great rock features. Look at this. Zoom in a little bit. Man, that is some Some really good. That one over there, wow. There's another rock face right here. Look at that. It's kind of behind this tree. I'm gonna move around a little bit, see if I can get a better aim. It kind of makes your legs tremble a little bit. All right. Well, it's another one down. I think we go around the corner down here and we'll find Oceana. All right, folks, this is the top of Oceana Falls. Oh, tell me that's not awesome. I mean, we are down in a hole. Look at that. Oh. Oh, there we go, look at that. Our first hint of color in the gorge. Ah. Let me get up here and we'll take a good video of Oceana. And here is your Oceana Falls. I'm not gonna lie, that looks like it'd be a lot of fun to slide down, but no risks here in the gorge. And look at that, that's a nice deep water pool. Man. I want to go swimming so bad. Heck, let me spin around here. Look at this. All this rock behind us. Beautiful. One last peek at Oceana before we keep on going. And you can see in the background how tall, I mean that's a tall gorge. We're gonna keep going. I'm kind of surprised no one's caught up to us, especially with us just kind of laying out there for 10-15 minutes, but maybe down here at Bridal Veil. Oh, this is kind of an ugly little, heck with it, we'll do it right here. Ugh. This is the top of Sliding Rock. Of course, the view is not great. I'll get you a better view in just a minute. And this is Bridal Veil Falls, also known as Sliding Rock. Now when we go to leave, that's our trail out, that rock. So, while we're here, I think we need to do a little swimming, a little filming, just have a little fun. And you know, the gorge continues, of course, way down, but this is as far as you're allowed to go with your permit, so let's have some fun. Well, we got in the water accidentally because, man, when they call it Sliding Rock, they're not kidding. That is slippery as can be. All right, so let's go down Sliding Rock. Oh, man, these rocks are, hey-ya. I won't lie, scared me just a little. All right, well, say goodbye to Bridal Veil Falls. Nice group of people too. Had fun. So now we're gonna start our hike out.
Just something to think about real quick as we're on our way out of the gorge here is that there are several Cherokee legends that surround this area by the Cherokee who settled around the Tallulah Gorge. One of which being that the Cherokee would never venture into the gorge, and that's because they believed that the gorge itself was home to a very hostile and mysterious tribe of little people they called the Yunwi, and if I butchered that, I apologize. It's Yunwi. And the Yunwi were very hostile, and they would trick trespassers into falling off the edge of the gorge, and of course fall to their death or drown in the river. There's another legend that I found online that talks about how the Cherokee Indians told stories about the gorge in the area, and they believed that there was a cave on the highest side of the gorge they called the Happy Hunting Grounds. So it's just something to think about. I mean, I didn't see any little people while I'm here, but with the stories that came long before we arrived, I mean, you never really know.
All right, folks, I was climbing up the face here. Whew, that is not kidding. That's not a joke. But I look over here through this hole and I see somebody. See if I can zoom in enough for you to see it. There's somebody rappelling over there. See, his rope goes up. It's kind of behind that log. But yeah, that is a people. Sorry, my focus is off, but I don't know what he's doing. Of course, I don't know rappelling, but maybe he's trying to lengthen his rope. I don't know. But yeah, over there on that face. Oops, sorry. I know that's blurry, sorry. It might be a she, I'm sorry, I don't know, I can't tell from here. So anyway, yeah, on the other side of the gorge, you got somebody doing something a lot braver than what I'm doing. More power to you. All right, starting back after we took a break for a second to watch that rappeller or whatever they're doing over there. Ugh. I gotta be near the top. Feel like it anyway. Oh, believe it or not, I made it to the top. I just met another couple. They were headed back down, or they're heading down the way that we just came up. I told them I don't know if down would be something I'd be trying that way. Up was no fun, but down, that was just so steep. But anyway, here's yeah, this is the top sign for the South Rim floor. I see the highway just beyond this. This was the gorge hike. Now, also, there's an overlook, 7, 8, 9 over here. We'll stop at those, see if we can get a little filming in, and call it a day. All right, overlook number 7. This is gonna be the one that I was talking about, the Tempesta Falls and the Hawthorne Pool. You can't see this one anywhere else, so this is, oh, look at that waterfall. This is incredible. And then the pool below it. Incredible. Tell me that wouldn't make a great slow motion video. Man, there's a pool above it as well. And I noticed, I don't see any of them now, but earlier I could see people walking through the woods here. That's where the staircase down to the bridge is. I don't see anyone now. But, oh wait, they're there. Let's see if I can get over there. Yep, see? That over there is where we started. So you can see it's a long hike. All right, so I'm gonna call it a day here. I think there's one more overlook. We'll hike and we'll find out. All right, so we're actually up under that bridge. There's the Tallulah Dam. Oh. We're gonna continue on out to the interpretive center, but I wanted to wait until I was off that bridge because I couldn't even hear myself. But this has been the biggest video yet. Biggest waterfalls. Definitely the more strenuous of all the hikes I've done so far. But I definitely wanted to get it done before it got cold because you can't do sliding rock in the wintertime. That's not going to be any fun. So I appreciate everybody. If you made it this far, I don't know how long this video is going to be. I imagine it's going to be quite a video. But I appreciate everybody for staying with me. If you happen to be watching, anyone from the groups that I met up with down there, I loved hanging out with you guys. Had 2 couples from Atlanta, and one nice young lady, she was from Indiana. So good people, had a lot of fun, and you know, had a great hike. I don't think it could have gone better. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And if you would, anybody still watching or anybody that skipped this far, if you'd please share it around and subscribe, just kind of help build it up. I've been growing a little bit. I'd love to keep growing. So I'm gonna call it a day, go home, get a shower, and go to work, and see if I can still be productive at the end of the day. Everybody, have an awesome weekend.